What happens when you sink your motorcycle into 10,000 meters of ocean? First of all, let's look at the effect of putting the balloon in a water depth of 20 meters. This is 1 meter deep. Nothing has changed about the balloon. The balloon began to shrink with the descent to a depth of 20 meters. The balloon had apparently been squashed, but when it's up, the balloon was restored to its original shape. This is due to the dive, the compression of the air inside the balloon, and the deeper the water, the more it gets squeezed. Will an iron motorcycle be squashed if it is put into 10,000 meters of sea? For the experiment, the team built a motorcycle specifically for this purpose. It is then put into this 1.4 meters diameter, water depth of 3 meters, and the tank is pressurized to apply a pressure of 10,000 meters underwater. The experimental group began to secure the motorcycle and tie a few balloons around them as a control group. Then the motorcycle was put into the sink. Put the cover on and press a weight to secure. Prevent the motorcycle from flying out under excessive pressure. Everything's ready. Start the experiment. On the left side of the screen is the water depth. On the right is the water pressure. The water was just 40 meters deep. The front wheels change, and then the lights burst. When the water depth exceeds 1000 m, the engine started to suffer damage. After 2500 m in water, the handlebar made of steel pipe also appeared to be deformed. There's a bend. Water depth 2600 m. The steel next to the engine was also crushed. The shock absorber is flattened at 2680 m water depth. As the depth gets deeper, the structure of the motorcycle began to break down continuously. But over 5,000 meters, there's nothing left to destroy. It's finally going to reach 10,000 meters. And strange things happen. Why, there's nothing wrong with the gas tank and the balloon, and they're all in good shape. And that's the only way to find out. This is the result of putting the motorcycle into a water depth of 10,000 meters. A lot of the parts have been crushed. Serious damage has taken place. But why is this soft balloon still intact? After puncturing it, the team knew why. It was filled with water so it wouldn't break. What about the tank? It's the same truth. The water gets into it through screws. Even if the water pressure rises, it will remain intact. So now we know, at a depth of 10,000 meters, even motorcycle parts made of iron can be destroyed. That's